Welcome to SGN Steno classes. Dictation start after 5 seconds. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that for proper appreciation of the government policy and due implementation of the instructions issued in connection therewith. Full stop. It is very essential for all the departments and the employee concerned with various subjects to keep themselves abreast of the instructions of government, the relevant rules and regulation issued by government from time to time. Stop. But it has been noticed that proper care is not taken to maintain the instruction so as to be readily available as and when they are needed to deal with the cases pertaining thereto. Consequently, the policy instruction, howsoever laudable the purpose thereof may be, are lost sight of just after a lapse of short period from the date of the issue and gradually the important policy instruction slip out of the memory, which result not only in wrong processing of the cases but unnecessary tossing thereof, leaving apart the erroneous decisions which this slipshod method ultimately result into. This is a serious matter to which all the employees concerned are required to pay attention so that delays are avoided in dealing with the cases and there is no difficulty in taking correct decision according to the policy of the government already well defined paragraph. It has also been noticed that as soon as any fresh instructions are issued on a subject, innumerable demands for the supply of copy of previous instruction are received, which could very well be avoided had the instruction been probably maintained. Still, unfortunate position is that when these copies are supplied, the policy instructions are again allowed to go into oblivion. This is another tendency which need to be checked. Paragraph. In the above circumstances, I am directed to request you to pay special attention to the matter and ensure that the policy instruction issued by government from time to time are maintained by the official concerned with the said subject in an up to date from and they are probably referred to at the time of considering any case connected therewith. Any lapse on this account should be seriously viewed. Paragraph. The tendency of supplying copy of the instructions originally issued as a personal property should be discouraged so that unnecessary placement of requisition thereof every time when the need arises on the subject is avoided. Para change.